थोड़ा आगे लीजिए सीधा, बस स्टेबल हो गया। He wanted 5 minutes, but his team will not be able to do it in 5 minutes.
President came late, so therefore I thought that I must get to do.
Yeah, thank you for doing that. Yeah, Mr. Pandey. Yeah.
The first break at 5 how much?
हाँ
5 how much?
हाँ 500 का मैं बोल देता हूँ।
They can go out. They can
हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
आप ज़रा सोचो ना। नहीं, we are addressing the thing on you. What about you? What do you think?
Good, youngsters.
And build your team. Build your team.
So 4 more minutes. Yeah. So we will take it from you. Let everybody finish. Obviously, you need more than 5 minutes. 5 minutes से ज़्यादा लग रहा है। आपने 5 बोले थे आपने। Three more minutes. How are you doing? 3 minutes.
Yeah. We have to now cut.
The top 3. Yeah, it happened, obviously.
कुछ combine कर दो, कट मत
तो सब एंड डाल दो, फिर तो एक ही हो जाएगा पॉइंट। यूनिक लिखिए, यूनिक। अरे
फंक्शन कवर हो रहे ना इसलिए दोनों HR को कंबाइन करें.
So biggest change, question, read the question carefully, that this is your last hope, सब आपके रास्ते बंद हो चुके हैं, and Aladdin's lamp is, I mean that's, what are the biggest changes you want? This is, what you are giving is a hygiene factor. Hygiene factor नहीं चाहिए, कि जो हो नहीं सक रहा है, this is your only hope. So what are those biggest changes you want, जो अब तक हो नहीं पा रहे?
ये तो बड़ा इम्पोर्टेंट है कि ये हो नहीं पा रहा है अपनी छोटी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में, ये हो नहीं पा रहा है. तेरी सॉफ्टवेयर इंडस्ट्री तेरी अलग चीज है, वो बट एक नॉर्मल ब्रिक एंड मॉर्टर बिजनेस में ये हो नहीं पा रहा है. बिकॉज ऑफ दिस बिग कंपनीज आर
क्यों नहीं हो पा रहा? क्या नहीं हो रहा पा रहा?
नहीं आज जैसे ई कॉमर्स में टोटल क्या बोलते हैं इसको एनालिटिक्स आपके पास यूज हो रहा है. हमारे बिजनेस में एनालिटिक्स होकर नहीं यूज हो रहा है ना.
That is the big change.
इट्स नॉट इट्स अ वेरी कॉस्टली अफेयर एंड इट्स वो एक मुझे लग रहा है कि इट विल बी अ वेरी क्रिटिकल फैक्टर इन दे हैव
Sure.
और जो नॉलेज शेयरिंग होगा उसी का.
To advise to youngsters.
But you can
How are you doing?
we are on the track. On the track about to reach.
Oh, great. At least it's got the energy going. Otherwise,
उससे भी तो हम सर्वाइव ही नहीं कर सकते.
हो गया आपका? Group 1? Group 1, Group 2 is done. How many minutes do you need, Group 3? You're done? Written down, jotted down? I just write it on the piece of paper so I can take it back, stays with me. Keep it with you. All the teams are done. You're done?
Yeah.
You're also done? Top 3 is ready?
दे दे आपको.
No, आप रखिए, you call out. Okay, I think the teams are all done. Can we have some sharing, please? Are we all done? Yep. Okay. Last minute? One more minute for you? No, as long as you come to the top 3. Have you come to the top 3? Almost.
Now we have 4.
Oh, good. So another minute should get you there. Okay. Okay, we are done. Thank you. Can we have the sharings, please? सुन सकते हैं? Okay, please listen here. We are starting. So आप please अपना challenge पढ़िए, or whatever is the activity, just read that out first. One second. You want a minute to get back to your places, or you sit down there, wherever you are? Just sit down and you can shift chairs later. खड़े हो जाइए. You want a mic? हाँ. अच्छा. Okay. कहिए. Tell me. Borrow less. Yeah, borrow less. Okay, efficient. Okay, and be efficient. Okay.
Second, there is never a replacement to hard work. So
Hard work.
So we just added that hard work in today's generation, an extension of hard work is to keep learning.
Your audience is there.
Yeah, I mean, to keep learning is an extension of hard work. Like it's not just physical hard work, it used to be, but the younger generation needs to keep educating themselves, keep learning, and basically work smart as well. All to an extent.
हाँ, learn करो, hard work, learn करो.
Involvement role. Be involved in the business. The idea behind hard work is be involved in the business.
So what's the third? Yeah. So what's the third part?
Please follow very good business ethics. Never compromise on your ethics and honesty in business.
Good staff management, good HRD,
Whether
good.
it is a people, whether it is a client, or whether it is a client.
Thank you. Ethics. Okay. So group 2. Borrow less, be efficient with your funds, hard work, keep learning, and ethics. Will be good, sir. Good ethics. Good ethics. Hard and smart. So this is their advice to young entrepreneurs and young businessmen. Okay, now let's have the group, second group. They, I think, have the same challenge, right? Yeah, just read out the activity first. Yeah, just read out. Okay, it is the same. Okay, tell me. Share. Set your vision. Set. Thank you. Thank you so much. Set your vision, strategize, and build a team. Build your team. Yeah. Sir, ये भी आ रहे हैं, इनका भी सुन लीजिए.
Think of some of your business biggest successes. Write down those 3 big factors that have contributed to that success. Avoid environmental factors that don't contribute to that. So I think you have collectively decided upon, and probably this might hold true to all businesses which have got successes. One is team building. When you talk about team building, it can be a bottom-up or top-down approach. And your team has to be large and integral, and they have to be part, and you have to see that the team is unified on a focus, on a goal. Only because a team which is not unified, I think there would be no success.
Team building.
Yeah. So the next is trust of all the components of the ecosystem.
Trust.
Yeah, trust. So that means the employees who are working with you should be able to trust you. That is one. Second, the customers should be able to trust you. Third is the financial institutions, all the banks whom you are borrowing from should have trust on you. And I think the fourth one is basically the team which is core of the organization should have trust among themselves. So that for me covers the entire ecosystem. So trust is one.
Trust.
Third is the organization should have a growth vision in terms of that they have to have a thirst for growth. Otherwise, whatever good team you build, they will not hold up to you. So the growth will come along together with the organizational growth. You have to see that all the stakeholders within that organization also are part of that growth.
Sure.
Might be by way of monetary, non-monetary, all of the things which can go into part of team building.
Sure. So growth, vision. Yeah. The last team, just read out the activity first.
Imagine you are given a magic wand or Aladdin's lamp. What are the 3 key changes you will wish for your organization?
Repeat properly. Say properly.
Imagine you are given a magic wand or Aladdin's lamp.
Aladdin's lamp.
What are the 3 key changes you will wish for your organization which will take it to the next level? Avoid environmental factors like government policies, etc. So the 3 key changes.
That means you are Aladdin cannot control the government policy.
If it's in India, yes. India, yes.
So the 3 key changes that we wish for was better knowledge sharing across departments, or in another way, accountability.
One second. Knowledge sharing and accountability.
As in what each department is doing, we must not keep reworking on those same things. So one department does something.
So that is knowledge sharing. So do you want to say knowledge sharing or do you want to say accountability? They are 2 different things, right? Do we agree? Knowledge sharing and accountability is different? And mat dal do yaar, just to combine. Accountability or knowledge sharing? Knowledge sharing. Okay.
Analytics and technology. Being more innovative and basically all the
Innovative.
we should be able to make sense out of all the data that is being generated in the organization from the customers and so analytics and technology. And third is better business development strategies and implementation.
Business development strategies and implementation.
Yes.
Sorry, what is that? Absolutely. That was my suggestion to them, that look at Aladdin. That's completely environmental. Okay, business development strategies. And implementation. Okay. Thank you so much. Yeah, if you are done. आपको बोर्ड नहीं दिख रहा, राइट? कुछ दिख नहीं रहा. हाँ? ठीक है, क्या लिखा है समझ में नहीं आ रहा. Okay. Okay. So let's look at, if this is what you think will get you success, or this is what you really want, let's look at some of the tried and tested ways हमने ये करने की कोशिश की है. For example, हमने ट्रेनिंग बहुत किया है. मेरे कंपनी में होता है, सब कंपनी में होता है. हमने मैनेजमेंट कंसल्टिंग भी बहुत की है, और मैनेजमेंट कंसल्टेंट्स को भी बुलाया है, बार बार बुलाते हैं, ट्रेनिंग भी की है. Now let's look at whether training and management consulting will help you always in this. आप एथिक्स पे ट्रेनिंग या मैनेजमेंट कंसल्टेंसी कर सकते हैं, बदल सकते हैं एथिक्स ओवरनाइट या नहीं, फटाफट कर सकते हैं. कितने लोगों ने किया? मैंने कंपनी में एथिक्स पे कभी हुआ नहीं है इशू. मेरे हर कंपनी में अब तक एथिक्स पे नहीं हुआ है ट्रेनिंग. So have any of us had an experience of getting management consultants to work on if you have an ethics issue or a training to do an ethics issue?
तो ओनर से ही आएगा ना, वो किसी कंसल्टेंट आने से
They ethics are the business policies. What business ethics to have? Good ethics means you have a good business policy.
DNA of the organization. It cannot come from a consultant.
Correct.
Suppose
It's the DNA of the
I agree. So the point I'm trying to make is that a management consultant or a training consultant may not be able to bring this in. But if you have an ethics issue, I'm saying if you call in an OD practitioner, there's a good chance he will do it. Because what OD is, we shall walk you through it. OD works on the entire ecosystem, works on the people. It's a democratic and inclusive way of doing business. So I'm trying to point out to you that there are some issues and challenges we always face for which we may not have answers जो management consultant या कोई trainer दे सकता है. इसीलिए मैं OD का इस तरह से introduction देना चाहता हूँ before we go into details of OD. So ethics, it's the DNA of the organization. If you remember, Girish said OD is all and coaching is all about changing the DNA. This is just a coincidence. Girish said it and you said it. And this is what exactly OD and coaching try to do. Get to the DNA of the organization and change the person's DNA. And what is it called, ma'am? It excited you, transformation. It excited you? That is OD, that is coaching. It will change your DNA, it will touch you to the core. Management consultants training may not always be able to do this. OD, I'm not getting into theoretical discussions yet. है मेरे पास, टाइम बचा तो वो भी करेंगे. Sir, trust. कितने ट्रेनर्स और कितने मैनेजमेंट कंसल्टेंट्स आपकी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में ट्रस्ट बिल्ड कर सकते हैं आके? Sorry? Yes. So somebody can't just walk in and ensure there is trust in the organization. So if you are out of options for some of your problems, there is hope because there is OD. क्या है हम देखेंगे. So of course some of this can be handled by the rest. Hard work, commitment, ethics, strategy, vision का भी हो सकता है. Team building, of course, training हो सकती है. Innovative can also probably happen. So just wanted to introduce to you that OD can help you overcome issues which necessarily other interventions may not be able to help you. Yes, sir? Any doubts? Happy? Okay, thank you very much. Thank you for this activity. Shall we move on? As I said, I don't want to get into theory and concepts first. I would rather do a case study to show you how OD was used in an organization that I worked with. Yeah? And this was just a brief introduction to OD. That OD is not training, OD is not management consultant, OD is change management, but all change management is not OD. Remember that. Change management happened, your banks became automated हो गए थे, लोग strike पे गए, change management था वो, लेकिन प्यार मोहब्बत से हुआ नहीं हुआ, strikes हुए. अगर OD वे शायद करते तो ये मारामारी नहीं होती. New technology आती है, so in the organization there is a lot of tussle, management, union. If it is not done the organization development way, which is democratic and inclusive and participative, you have the problems of friction when you bring in change. So OD is change management is not always OD. Any questions? Are we clear about this? Sir? Happy? Thank you. Case study hai. Obviously this is mine. I mean, I have done this project, I have written the case myself. Title hai Organization Development for Transitioning from a Founder-Led Organization. So there was this founder-led organization where the founders ran the show fully, completely, very autocratically, and how did that transition happen? इसके बारे में बताया गया है. Client का नाम है Anandam School. This is not the real name. All identities have been masked for confidentiality. Now, Anandam School is a project of Politex Charitable Trust. तो PCT नाम की एक ट्रस्ट है जो ये स्कूल्स चलाती हैं. It is a private public arrangement with Mumbai Municipal Corporation. Anandam Schools is a PPP arrangement. There are 7 Anandam schools, very unique and successful model. How good are the schools? Look at the achievements. Class 10th में 97% obtained first class. मुंबई का average score था 57%. ये मैं municipal schools की बात कर रहा हूँ. 97% obtained first class. Scholarship exam 7th की होती है. 100% got scholarship in their 7th as against 52% Mumbai. Municipal school की बात कर रहा हूँ. Student dropout ratio 4% out of 9% as compared to 9% in Bombay. This is a municipal school, 7 of them. Who are the key players in this? Naresh Verma, not his real name. 75 years old, he is the founder. Verma family were the promoters of the now defunct Politex textile mills. Bombay mills में strike हुई थी, सब बंद पड़ गई, उनमें से ये एक company है, थी rather. Manages the non-programmatic side. Non-programmatic means school side नहीं, not the school side. The management side, HR, admin, IT, fund mobilizations. No. It is not the real name. It is not the real name. None of the names are real. But the case is real. Diana Verma, 73, wife, founder. She's a Britisher. 4 decades of experience in school education, extensive work in rural India. She heads the school side. Husband heads the corporate shared functions. Wife heads schools.
But this is real. Husband is Indian and the wife is
Yes. Yes. Wherever it is not real, sir, I tell you. Wherever I am not saying, means it is real. नहीं तो मुझे हर बार बोलना पड़ेगा, this is real, this is real. अच्छा, third participant, Satyen Rao, 35 years, leader of strategy and partnership. He is the confidant, influencer, inner circle of the management. बिल्कुल sir. And the 4th player is core team. 12 employees हैं, they are the departmental heads, various departmental heads. These are the key players in the story, in the case study. अब देखिए ये पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है, ये अब इनका पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं, ये अब ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्ट्रक्चर है इनका. जैसे मैंने कहा था, on the left Diana Verma handles the school, on the left side. On the right side the husband handles the corporate shared functions like HR, admin, finance, strategy, resource mobilization. Any quick comments on this organization structure? Disjoint. Why is it disjoint? Perfect. There is no convergence. ये रेलवे की पटरी है, नो कन्वर्जेंस एनीवेयर. व्हाट एल्स सर? थैंक यू. टॉप डाउन यानी? Okay. No, yeah, okay. Yes, I've drawn it that way. I'll come to that point. I'll come to that point. Haji? So, all the organization reports to two people. The entire organization either reports to Naresh or reports to Diana. The point the gentleman was making. So, no convergence anywhere. Rail की पटरी style है और पूरा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन दो बंदों को रिपोर्ट करता है. एनीथिंग एल्स सर यू वुड वांट टू ऐड? एक और खास बात बताना चाहूंगा मैं क्विकली. आई जस्ट होप दिस वर्क्स. कि जब मैंने इनको ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्ट्रक्चर मांगा, अक्टूबर की बात है, उन्होंने मुझे ये दिया. इफ इट ओपन्स, ये पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है, हैंड रिटन है. जब मैंने ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्ट्रक्चर दिया तो बोले आओ बैठते हैं बनाते हैं. ये माहौल था जब मैं गया, और हाथ से बना के मुझे दिया था. Okay. Now the first stage in OD typically is called entry and contracting. Jana milna is the entry. Contracting is what will I do, what will they do. There was what are the finances involved, commercial कितने हैं. That is the contracting part. वो OD का पहला साइकिल होता है. उसमें उन्होंने मुझसे बात की कि मैंने भैया भाई OD करना चाहते हो, क्यों करना चाहते हो, व्हाट इज द इशू. सो उन्होंने मुझे उनका प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट बताया. प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट क्या है? फाउंडर का है कि इन ऑर्डर टू सस्टेन द आनंदम मॉडल there is an immediate need to align the core team with its purpose and enhance their performance. Core team are the departmental heads, you will remember. So who is the problem child? Core team. The problem child is core team, and I am supposed to come and fix the core team. Okay. October 2014 data collection किया मैंने, इंटरव्यूज लिए, सब कोर टीम मेंबर्स के, दो और सब्जेक्ट फैकल्टी के भी लिए. फाउंडर से इंटरव्यू किया, ओपन एंडेड क्वेश्चंस थे. ओपन एंडेड यानी आप क्या सोचते हैं, व्हाट, वेयर, नो यस नो आंसर्स और क्वेश्चंस रादर. प्रोसेस ऑब्जर्वेशन, कुछ मीटिंग्स अटेंड की और इन डेप्थ पर्सनल इंटरव्यूज विद द फाउंडर. सो व्हाट डिड आई फाइंड आफ्टर इंटरव्यूइंग ऑल दिस पीपल? वी हैव अ मॉडल कॉल्ड द वाइस बोर्ड मॉडल. सो इट हेल्प्स अस सेग्रीगेट द डेटा. और डेटा क्या निकला? वाइस बोर्ड मॉडल किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को 6 लेंसेज से देखता है. इट लुक्स एट द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन थ्रू 6 लेंसेज लाइक पर्पस, स्ट्रक्चर, रिलेशनशिप, रिवॉर्ड्स, रोल्स, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा. ऐसे 6 एंगल्स हैं थ्रू विच यू डायग्नोज अ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. सो द फर्स्ट इज पर्पस. जब इंटरव्यूज लिए तो कोर टीम ने मुझसे क्या कहा? We do not know what is the purpose of the core team. 2 साल पहले कोर टीम फॉर्म की थी, क्यों की थी, उसके ऑब्जेक्टिव्स क्या है, डिलीवरेबल्स क्या है, हमें बताया नहीं गया. हमें लगता है ये एनजीओ है, इनको लिए डोनर्स चाहिए, डोनर्स को खुश करने के लिए, कुछ दिखाने के लिए पेपर पे कोर टीम का कॉम्पोजिशन किया गया. सो द पर्पस ऑफ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द कोर टीम वॉज कंप्लीटली एम्बिग्यूअस एंड मिसिंग. ये एम्प्लॉइज मुझसे बात करते हैं, मुझे बताते हैं व्हाट इज द स्ट्रक्चर. आपने देखा फाउंडर सेंट्रिक, हर कोई फाउंडर को रिपोर्ट करता है. 70 साल, 75 years old, fragile structure. Both the founders are 72, 75 years. Vulnerable, no succession planning. Lack of clarity, reporting देखा आपने, hand written organogram था. And it is split down the middle. आप ये देखेंगे, आप ये देखेंगे, no convergence at the top, 2 railway tracks. That is how the structure is of this organization. Husband wife है, फिर भी हाँ उन्हें लगा वो solution है.